Hello and welcome back to the Wallmantra show. This is your host Aryan. Today we are going to talk about how to transform a corner into an area of meditation. Infuse meditative vibes with comfortable sitting like small stools, puffs or meditating mats. For walls, you can choose spiritual or meditating paintings. Another element to consider is aromatherapy. Choose anything from pillar candles, incense sticks or healing oils for the soothing effect. Choose natural elements like plants, vase or even a small water fountain. Make your space look clutter-free so that you can stay calm and focused. So that's all for today, peeps. For more professional tips like these, tune into the Wallmantra show every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 6. Bye-bye.